Hi everyone. I'm very sure that all of you are enjoying using Vokies for your WhatsApp marketing. If you've been struggling with uploading contact through CSV file, I'm here to make it easier for you. I'll guide you through each step to ensure your contacts are uploaded smoothly. First, before anything else, make sure that at least one WhatsApp account is logged in on the portal. This is a crucial first step to ensure everything works seamlessly. Now, let's get started. First, click on the plus sign to create a new contact group. Give your group a name and hit submit. Next, click on the phone list icon and select import. Here you can import contact in two ways, by uploading a CSV file or by pasting numbers directly. If you are pasting numbers, remember to include the country code with each one. But for this video, we'll focus on the CSV option. To make sure your CSV file is set up correctly, start by downloading the example template provided above the Upload CSV option. Open the template and add your phone numbers in the first column, including the country code. For example, 91 for India. Now, a common issue people face is that when you enter numbers in the sheet, they may show up with letters and decimals, which can cause errors. To fix this, click on the top of column A to select it. Go to Cell Formatting and select Number. Remove the decimals. Another issue arises when you have a long list of numbers without any country code. Here's a quick way to add country code to it. So the steps I'm going to tell now are only for those who have a contact list without a country code. If you already have the list with the country code, you can ignore these steps. Paste all your numbers into column A. Insert a new column next to it by clicking Insert Column. Then in cell B2, type this formula, equal to sign, country code and A2. For example, in India, we will write it as equal to sign 91 and A2. Click on cell B2 and then double click on the plus icon at the lower right corner of the cell. This will apply the formula to all the rows in the column. Now, click on the top of column B and copy. Next, click on the top of column A. Go to the paste option and then click on paste values and number formatting to replace the original numbers. After that, click on the top of column B and delete column B. If you need to send messages with variables like names, marks, etc., you can fill in these details starting from column B onwards. Each title should be placed in a row 1 of each column. Once your data is set, save the file, then head back to the portal. Now, click on Upload CSV. Select the file you just saved and click Submit. And that's it. If you have followed these steps, your contact should be uploaded without any issues. You may go ahead and create the campaign to send message to this contact list.